Daylight saving time starts at 2 a.m. Sunday morning, so the sun will set later in the evening. Actually, the sun doesn't do anything. We just look at our clock differently. But we are losing an hour of sleep.
We are. Joining us on the KOGO News Live line, cardiologist Dr. Fahmi Farah. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning.
So is the time change actually harmful to our health, our bodies?
It can be. In some ways, it can be, yes, due to sleep disturbance. And, sleep disturbance is one of the risk factors for cardiovascular disease.
So what can we do to try to adjust more quickly to it? Because it doesn't seem like an hour would make that kind of a difference. But for a lot of people, it's just a killer for about a week.
It is, and especially for those who already have pre-existing sleep disorder or insomnia, it can really throw them off. So what I suggest is gradual introduction. We typically know which day it's going to be that the time will switch back. So I say for a week or two, just try to go to sleep 15 minutes early and just gradually increase that, incorporate that into your schedule. That way you don't throw off your circadian rhythm.
So you mentioned 4 tips. What are those?
One, as I mentioned, gradually introduce that to your timing. Sleep hygiene is very important. Go to sleep in a timely manner. Make sure that you're not on your phone in bed, so minimize your screen time when you go to bed. Take a relaxation moment so you de-stress yourself before you go to bed. All those can help maintain your sleep hygiene and get you better sleep.
So, when it comes down to it, if we were to change and stop all of this, should we do daylight saving time all the time or just standard time all the time?
That's a difficult question. I know that many people would just rather have it standard time because it is disruptive twice a year. So, having to make that adjustment for many people, it is an inconvenience at many levels, not to mention the health impact it can have. So it really depends on which way, how people feel. There are pros and cons to both. For example, during summertime, we do enjoy that sunlight late into the day so we can go for a walk after work. I think that there's pros and cons to both sides.
All right, Dr. Fahmi Farah joining us here on the KOGO News Live line. We'll have to wait and see what happens after we change our clocks this weekend.
There you go.
Thank you so much.